Congratulations, you are the new judge, and you have been chosen to draw the quintesson scientist. It is a quintesson belief that everything in the universe should be judged by its own species. But that is wrong. It is really the belief that everything in this cosmos should be judged by our actions. As you may know by now, you maybe have questions on what the quintesson scientist is. Well, for starters, he is the one who pilots the quintesson's mothership, and he has a thing for collecting sound wave related Cybertronians. That is what they all do. And get this, he created it. He was the one who transformed Starscream into a quintesson himself. And he was put in charge of watching over him. Only to carry out the order for him to decide whether his universe was guilty or if it wasn't guilty. Starscream wouldn't judge it unless Megatron and Optimus Prime were there to answer for their crimes against him. But this guy said it was not necessary. They will be wiped away along with everything else. Yeah, there are thousands more that came before him. I don't know how many universes the Quintessons had invaded, but they shouldn't judge universes just because of their species. I mean, they've already been to a planet called Cybertron just to have their powers of the Allspark. Don't mind me asking, however, the Quintesson scientist is our special guest for today, and it would be a special pleasure to draw him on our show. And guess what? It is. You have no idea how long I've wanted to draw this guy. Yeah, that's what I say in all my episodes lately. He always is open with a welcome sign saying, "Welcome to my laboratory. Don't worry, I will be gentle with your face." Get it? Because he took the faces from other aliens and placed it onto Starscream, removing him from his actual body and giving him a new one. There we are. There we are. Only one last thing to draw. And that's this part here. There we are. Now, here's his brain. Here we are. One last thing to draw, and that's other tube. One more thing. Remember my Thumb Wrestling Federation stuff? Well, unlike Trevor Licky, I'm going to place 2 episodes in my special in the series. That way it's twice the fun and twice the action. Only if I can get the equipment for it. And with Trevor Licky's help, perhaps I can get it started. Trevor Licky, if you're watching this, I'm a fan of your work, and your characters would be a perfect asset to my crew. The Thumb Wrestling Federation stuff really has opened my eyes. Anyway, I've drawn up a lot of stuff over the years. Anyway, also my SD card is almost full, and I'll be posting these real soon. Be sure to let me know in the comments which one of these guys you want me to draw next. And I swear there'll be lots more to come. I've spent 2 days working on this stuff, and these characters always keep getting better and better. Anyway, time to sign off for now. And salutations, my quintesson fans.